To achieve fast YouTube monetization, focus on the YouTube Partner Program requirements: 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours in 12 months or 10 million Shorts views in just 90 days. For the quickest route, dive into YouTube Shorts. Aim to post 3 to 5 shorts daily, each lasting 8 to 20 seconds. Use viral editing techniques and tap into trending topics with curiosity hooks to grab attention. Hitting that 10 million views milestone unlocks monetization. If you prefer long-form videos, create content that's over 8 minutes for multiple ad placements. Target high CPM niches like finance, tech, health, and business. Engage your audience with compelling storytelling and optimize your titles for SEO. This way, you not only grow your channel quickly, but also maximize your ad revenue potential. Subscribe for more how-to tips.